With the old classic editor in WordPress, we used to have the admin menu down the left-hand side. And with the new editor, or the blocks editor now, that has disappeared. And in order to get back to the dashboard or the admin menu, you need to click on this WordPress button here and it will take you back, which is a bit of an inconvenience, especially if you want to just hop straight to a page. You're going to have to click there and then click. That's an extra click for you. So if you want to remove what they call a full screen mode, click up in your options here, take off full screen mode, and then you'll have that option of the navigation down the left-hand side in the admin section of the website. And it'll allow you to just click over there, go back to pages, edit another page, and that will still be switched on. Obviously, if you want to take it back, you click on here again and then go back into full screen mode. Thanks for watching, and I hope that helps.